Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Yeah. Ranky pants.
Ben, we have the recruits.
Wait, you're still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods, now! Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
This is R5. They're gonna get you out of here safely back to Bot 2. Good luck, recruits. May the force be with you.
Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't be caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. Information in session block 3. Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to level D. Now's a good time. The escape pods, the floors. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Well done, R5.
Okay, your door's stuck. Why is that always a thing? Whoa, whoa, slow down. Oh, okay, I'm still learning droid. Droid is, droid E. Look, I know you'll figure out how to get the pod open. How's that door situation? Almost got it?
I believe in you.
There, see? I thought you were gonna be a problem.
I believe in you,
All right,
R5.
nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Beck.
Where's that?
I know. Stop responding.
R5,
Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last showed him in Sector 4.
should have waited for it.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
So this is Platoon Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors.
Okay, and hurry.
Rescue Bravo again. We have eyes on 2 pods descending.
Roger that, Bravo.
They're coming in hot over Sector 5.
We got first order patrols on the ridge, Bravo.
I see him. Working.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!